How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your oil light on a 2016 and newer Honda Hrv. But before we go ahead and do that, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content just like this. Alright, so onto the video. We're going to turn the ignition on. I'm going to let everything load up. See, it's at 60% right there. If it wasn't, you would just toggle through the menu using the button right here. All right, so we're gonna toggle through it till it reaches the oil light. Now I'm gonna press and hold it, that same button. You're gonna wait till it starts flashing. You're gonna release it, press and hold. And there you go, you're all set. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. And again, don't forget to subscribe.